Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome to the Ankerstar Wealth afternoon show again today. Worked in the office this morning on the road. We're on the road this afternoon for Irene's birthday, so a little bit of a getaway for us. So I'm going to come off camera here for a second. As you can tell, I'm at the airport. But I do want to cover with you three topics today. First of all, this September sell-off that came out of nowhere. We're kind of hoping that would end not only yesterday to end up August with a good note, but not start September with such a crappy start, right? So it's a continuation of the Fed's Chairman Powell's comments on Friday that's really started the selling, and it's continuing, right? So that's what we're going to talk about first. We're going to talk about how you can't always trust a headline. I'll show you the funniest one that I've seen in a while. And then last, there's a new ETF for K-pop. So if you're familiar with Korean pop, which is kind of a, the boy bands, if you will, from Korea, that's very popular around my house. So anyhow, there's a way to invest in it now. I'm not endorsing it. I'm just saying that it is available. So with that, standard disclaimer applies as a financial education presentation. And you have to do your own due diligence for acting upon anything you hear in this presentation. Full disclaimer information is available at ankerstarwealth.com. All right, let's go and take a look at where we are in the market. Excuse me. Afternoon time frame already. Dow's down just a little bit in the red. S&P down a lot more. And of course, you have the NASDAQ getting hammered down 1.7% off of the big sell-offs it's had in the past couple of days. So really tech getting hurt. And excuse me, the interesting part is there's really not any new news. There was Powell's comment of more pain ahead. Obviously, it started the selling, but really from there hasn't been another number that's come in that has really been a needle mover. So all of this is all emotion. The good part about emotion in selling is that it'll bounce back. So I think once the weak will fold their hands, the strong will buy the shares at cheaper and then move higher. So I'm not worried about the sell-off at all. I do not think we test the year lows in the market. All right, so where are the year lows at? Somebody asked me that the other day. Here's the NASDAQ chart that's coming up for you. Here is the 1 year look. So down here, at least in the NASDAQ, we have, you can do the math, another good 5 or 6% before we hit those lows. So I don't think we get there. Time will tell. No crystal ball. All right, let's talk funny headlines. Retail traders are rushing into Apple as they seek shelter after Powell's pain warning. Okay, so that was Friday, right? That's what started this whole thing. So they're rushing into Apple. Okay, well, let's look how Apple's performed since the retail traders rushing into Apple. Actually, I already have it pulled up on another screen here. So clearly Apple's up since last Friday, right? Gosh, that sure doesn't look like it. Let's go to the 5-day chart. Okay, so if the retail traders were rushing into Apple, they aren't doing a very good job of it. So, here's 5 days ago. It's been straight down since the announcement. There's the day marks, if you will. So, yeah, you can't, when you see a headline out there, I mean, come on, this is on CNBC Pro. People are paying for this headline, and it's ridiculous. It would make you think that, Apple's on the way up. It is not. And you read the article, it's got nothing to do with this headline. So anyhow, beware. The point is beware of headlines out there. There's a lot in the media, they got to fill the pages, right? They got to fill the 24-hour news cycle. So when there's no news, they make the news, right? So Apple's not on a way up from this. All right, last one I'll leave you with is this new K-pop ETF gives investors a chance to bet on Koreans' entertainment. Boom. There's a boy band right there. I believe that's BTS. Yep, it is. They went to the White House last year. But the K-pop index is now officially sanctioned if you want to try to invest in it. And again, there's names you might not have heard of. The top 5 holdings are down here. I had not heard of any of those. But I do know that, if you're interested in something like this, highly speculative, but it is on the rise for sure. So it's not for me. It'd be probably for my girls if I told them about it, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to mention it at least. All right, that's all we got for today's show. Again, thanks for sending in your questions and comments. Please continue to do so through either the website or directly through email. And that's all we have for today. And we will see you back. Actually, there will not be a show tomorrow because Allison is out and I'm out as well. But we'll see you back on actually Tuesday morning because we have the big 3-day weekend coming up. So see you back Tuesday morning. Bye.